Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to enable Windows 11 theme d- dock on over here and how we can do this up. So let's dive into it. And if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to it. So I'll be giving few link in the description that will take you to this. The one is over here, which is called Windows 11 theme, and another one is called RAINMETER. So you have to download both. Okay, so here I'll go for downloading this one. So I'll go for download. So here, as you can see, it is downloaded. Simultaneously I'll go to this one, and here over here this link will be in the description, so you don't have to worry. So you have to click on Windows 11 dock. Over here you just have to click on this one, so that as you can see it's get downloaded. So right now, after downloading, so you just have to open this first one. So go for run and go for OK, and you have to install it, which is normal method. We all knew that. So just go for next and install the location where you wanted to it. So go for install, and as you can see it is done, right? And right now, as you can see, I'm having this one. So what I'll do is, I got a lot of things right here. So what I do is, I'll just close this, and many things are here. So I right click on this particular thing, which is called welcome to RAINMETER. I have right click, and I'll go for unload skin. Simultaneously I'll go over here, go for unload skin. I'll go for this one, unload skin, and I'll go for this one, unload skin. So right now all the things are vanished. So I'll go back, and I'm done with the RAINMETER, which I have installed right now, and I'll open this one. So here we are having the RAINMETER skin installed. So I'll just go for install, and right now, as you can see, it is getting installed over here. So I just have to close this, and now this is our this one, which is called the theme dock. As you can see, I can navigate to Explorer very easily, go to application, go to bookmarks, movies, games, volume, trash bin, and I can power it off. So I can go over here. So this is where it looks like right now. For some users, they'll be feeling like we don't need taskbar after this. We only need this one, which is called the theme dock. Then what you have to do is, you just have to hide the taskbar. So for that, you just have to right click and go to taskbar settings. Over here you just have to click on taskbar behavior, and if you scroll down, you can see automatically hide the taskbar is being turned off. So I have to turn this on. Once I did this, I have to minimize this. As you can see, you are only having this one, right? You're only having this one, and if you wanted to bring it back, you just have to go back and try this once again, and that taskbar will be over here. So this is how you can enable and the Windows 11 theme dock on your Windows 11, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.